How to log in into FBR sales tax account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this tutorial video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can log in into your FBR sales tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, do make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be choosing Safari. Now on the search bar, type FBR sales tax login and search for it. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After that, now click on the first website that says FBR Federal Board of Revenue. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Now finally, here you can see you can log in into your account using your username and password. Enter the valid username and password and tap on login option. And with that, you are good to go. In this very simple and easy way, you can log in into your FBR sales tax account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.